Hello, today we're reviewing the batch packaging record requirements under GMP. This detailed 11-point checklist ensures compliance and quality. First, record identity and batch linkage. Include product name with strength and dosage, batch or lot number, packaging site or line ID, and reference to approved packaging instructions. Next, dates, times, and traceability. Log dates and times of operations, operator and checker IDs or initials, and supervisor's endorsements. Third, equipment, line setup, and clearance. IDs of equipment and the packaging line, critical settings, line clearance confirmation, removal of prior batch materials, and display of product and batch information. Point 4. Component and labeling control. For each component like containers and labels, note its name, code, supplier, lot, quantities issued, used, and rejected, and verification of correct materials. Fifth, in-process checks. Controls like print verification, barcode checks, and seal checks. Frequency, results, and overprint data confirmation are all crucial. Sixth, reconciliation. This involves comparing labeling issued versus used and finished packs versus components. Any discrepancies exceeding limits must be investigated. Seventh, deviations. Document events, actions taken, impact assessment, and reference to investigations or CAPA. Eighth, labeling specimens. Attach approved artwork and printed samples with their respective approvals to the record. Ninth, QA review. Quality approval before release is essential, confirming that all operations match established procedures. 10th, corrections. All corrections must be contemporaneous, legible, and made with a single line through the original entry, along with a reason, date, and signature. Finally, record retention. Retain all records for the required period as mandated by FDA rules and other regulatory bodies. Following this comprehensive checklist ensures GMP compliance, maintaining the highest standards of quality and safety in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Thank you for watching.